Hi guys, today is another round of product review. But before I start, I would like to say that beside products review, my channel will also introduce great helpful active YouTubers with great contents so that you guys can correlate with each other in one or another way. And in this way, I hope we can help each other to grow gradually, alright? And if you guys are interested in the latest trend of smartphone or are looking for the smartphone to buy, yes, do check out this channel, Marc Tech Review. His channel is all about reviewing of the latest and hottest smartphone around. So do check out the links below, Marc Tech Review. And let's begin with our product review for the day. The RGB mousepad and the RGB mouse. Alright, let's go. And you guys can see from here, it is a rollable and foldable mousepad which come with 4 USB port over here. So I will unfold it and dim down the light to let you guys see the 7 breathing RGB light effects. Alright. And now this mousepad is powered up by only using my handphone over here, and this 4 USB port can power up this light box as well as the mouse itself. So there's another 2 spare mouse port. You can use it for charging of your handphone or whatever device. And this is the 7 color breathing light, but you can change it by pressing the button here. One press, you go to another light. Press, and if you hold, it will switch off. Alright, it's that simple. But for this 4 USB port, it's only for power output and it's not for data. Meaning you can only charge your device or power up your mini device over here, but not using for data transfer. Alright, that's all for the mousepad. And one more thing, the length is about 72 centimeter and the width is 30 centimeter. Alright, it's a large mousepad for convenient use. Okay, now it's time to take a look at the mouse. So it has got 2 buttons over here, and the left right button, the scroller, and the DPI button. Alright, it's an RGB mouse. So let's get it tested out. Now we are at the mouse testing website. So let me test out the buttons. The left, alright, it works. The right, it works. The roller, up, down, see the arrow moving, down. The roller button. Now it's the left side button. Alright, you move up, sorry. The side, and the right and the upper button, sorry, the lower side button, the upper side button. Alright, it works, but this DPI button is not shown here, so we'll ignore it. And now I have changed the pointer size to let you guys see how smooth it is. Basically it works. I mean, it's quite smooth, no lagging. Alright, and for this mouse, I've already tried it out with some games and it worked out just fine. Later, I will make a video regarding how to determine the DPI when there's no dedicated software given. So for this, you can change the DPI using this DPI switch, but the maximum it can go is 3200 DPI. And I can't find any software to change the RGB lighting, but I think it's alright. So what's so special about this mouse and the mousepad is their price tag. Alright, so this mouse only costs about 8 USD and the mousepad 15 USD. So I recommend these 2 products to anyone who is setting up their gaming station but with a budget. Since I'm talking about gaming products, I would like to introduce you guys to this Gakhar Games channel. This channel posts many exciting and interesting games video for you guys to enjoy. So do check out the links below, the Gakhar Games channel. Alright, we'll see you soon. I've got a few more budget gadget coming up for review. So I hope you guys do like this video and find it helpful. Alright, see you soon. Bye.